We are approaching the peak of our festive season. I'm making an appeal to us to keep ourselves safe and responsible. The Ministry of Health will continue to support efficient disease surveillance and response. We are cognizant of the fact that there will be increased movement of people, with many of us traveling as families and groups for reunions and social gatherings, both locally and internationally. Our warm Kenyan culture means we will socially mix and interact with different populations during this festive period. Yet, I want to ask us to be cautious in these interactions. These increased activities are likely to lead to increased rate of transmission of the epidemic-prone communicable diseases that we are closely monitoring, especially COVID-19, cholera, and Ebola. That Ebola that is just in the neighborhood. Kindly adhere to appropriate public health measures to avoid chances of infection. To mitigate against further spread of this and other epidemic-prone diseases, as well as reduce the number of cholera cases and potential fatalities, the ministry has released and communicated a raft of measures to adhere to in order to keep us safe during and beyond the festive period. We have issued a cholera alert to all healthcare workers, highlighting the importance of early detection, confirmation, and management of suspected cases, while coordinating a whole government and multi-agency approach in accordance with disease outbreak management practices.